Ngikhuluma ke la ngoNkulunkulu ekhuluma nami about South Africa. South Africa kule New World Order uTrump akayiphushayo manje yokuthi country ne-country ikwazi ukuyilwela yona futhi ikwazi ukuyibhekela. South Africa will not stand. South Africa cannot stand this world new order system. Why South Africa cannot stand? It is because South Africa failed long ago ukuba isecurishe nokuthi ivikele ama-border ayo. South Africa is very weak with immigration. South Africa is very weak kuma-border. Even naguma air defense, South Africa is very weak. Abantu, how can a country who is very defensive kuma border ukuthi kungaba khona ibhanoyi coming from other country lisuke lizolenda eSouth Africa lilende abantu abangenayo documentation ephelele, but lawo bantu bavumelwe ukuthi bangene, livunyelwe nalo ukuthi lilende. So uyabona ukuthi how weak is South African border, right? Sizobheka indawo njengoMaputo, iborder le yaseMozambique leseKhosi Bay. If ungabuka abantu from Mozambique indlela abakwazi ukungena ngayo bangene ingqaka bangene South Africa nangendlela abakwazi ukuphuma ngayo makuDecember babuyele eMozambique. So uyabona ukuthi how weak is South Africa. What does God says about borders? Open the book of Deuteronomy 32 verse number 8. Deuteronomy 32 verse number 8. So in South Africa we lose the back lapha khona ku-implementwa khona a new world order because of his because of his weakest border systems. Okay, open the book of Deuteronomy 32 verse number 8. When the Most High gave to the nations their inheritance, when he separated the sons of men, he fixed the bounds of the people according to the number of the sons of God. So it is God who gives people boundaries. So it is for the people to protect their boundaries of their state. Okay, open the book of Acts chapter 17 verse number 26. Izenzo chapter 17 verse number 26. So as a country, as a South African citizen, you have to pray. Fanele uthandazele this country njengoba singena kwi-new world system, singena kwi-new world order lapha khona i-country ne-country izobe ibhekelele. But ama-countries azo-survivor 3 countries, major countries, i-America, i-US, kube i-Russia, kube i-China. But i-Russia, because of this Ukrainian war ekhona between i-Russia ne-Ukraine, i-Russia is losing a lot of money since kunale war, kunale mpi seqalile mhlawumbe sithathe more than 3 years. Le mpi eqhubekayo. So they are losing more of commodities. They are losing more of amandla financially, of which nayo i-Russia isengcupheni. All right, let us read Acts chapter 17 verse number 26. And he made from one every nation of men to live on all the face of the earth, having determined allotted periods and the boundaries of their habitation. So ngamanye amazwi, it is God who gives abantu indawo yokuhlala, a habitation, but it's by them, within their power, within their supremacy, within their kingship, within their presidentially, within their capability and ability. Kufanele kube yibona who protect their habitat by setting boundaries, strong boundaries, not to allow other countries to come easily without controlling them. Right. So in South Africa, the weakest point in South Africa is the weakest system abayisebenzisayo laphana kwi-immigration. If you can see njengamanje South Africa kukhona abantu who comes from Mozambique, there are people also who come from Pakistan, there are people who come from Somalia, there are people who come from Zimbabwe, there are people who come from DRC, Congo, there are people who come from Nigeria. If you can see, there are people who come from US, there are people who come, all other countries, there are people who come from China. China, they have malls manje. If you can just go, maybe 60% of our townships are khona njengamanje. Each and every town there is a China mall there. And if you can see njengamanje, each and every China mall, every person in South Africa njengamanje is looking forward to buy kuma China malls because they are more cheaper compared to South African stores. So if obuka kahle uyabona ukuthi economically kule system, kule new world system uTrump akayipush out noma akayinsist, you can see ukuthi South Africa will lose because in South Africa iyahluleka ku Africanship. They are failing to value i-country yabo nanokuqinisa zomthetho laphana kuma border. Instead of fighting, because I don't think ukulwa nabantu bangaphandle, fighting the Mozambican, fighting the Nigerians will help South Africa. Even if they can be marches, kungaba namamashi kube nani ama citizens elwe kushiswe kudutshulwane, that cannot help South Africa. Because still noma ngaba khona amaqembu axosha abantu bangaphandle ukuthi abahambe South Africa. But if ama border weak, if South African borders they are weak, those people will re-enter easily. So into fanele liqiniswe ama-border, kuqiniswe ama-border, then God will protect South Africa. But God cannot protect South Africa because South Africa iyona ebulala izwe layo. Iyona South Africa ehlulekayo ukuthi ithi putting South African people first. Because if you can see isiqubulo sika Donald Trump sithi make America great again, putting American citizens first. If ungabuka impi bekade ikhona Donald Trump elwa neSouth Africa, ubelwa only with black people in South Africa because Donald Trump always fights for the white people. Why Donald Trump is fighting for the white people? Because he himself is white. But South Africans, they are failing to fight themselves as black people. So instead of ukuthi babheke izinto ezibahlulayo as South Africans, they kill each other. But there is a solid way of fighting immigration in South Africa is to strengthen the borders, to make sure that no one enters the South African premises without proper papers. And those people, they must be taken back to their countries. Bazongena ngendlela esemthethweni. Ngifuna ukuthi simbheke ukuthi uNkulunkulu, how does God works? uNkulunkulu ufike akuphe something. Uma eqeda uNkulunkulu ukupha something, if when you take care of that thing, God himself will expand you. God himself will protect you. God himself will uplift you. But God cannot rebuild and elevate South Africa because South Africa, it's busy destroying its own country. I'm not going to talk about the corruption that is going on, but God also said to me, South Africa, he is going to change the leadership in South Africa. God said in this coming time, he will change the ruling system in South Africa, meaning that God will put a new government, a new structure, a new parliamentarism, a new parliament. So I'm waiting to that era, as God has told me, as God has said to me. Remember ukuthi last time in my past geo-prophetic video bengikhuluma ngendaba yokuthi this year sizo experience more of amasosha nama-aircraft bendiza bezofuna ibhamu emakhaya due to ukubulalana kwabantu nebhamu engekho emthethweni. Remember that thing nganitshela ngathi into esike yabanjelwa umhlangano, ngabona umhlangano in the realm of the spirit ubanjiwe ukuthi bazongena emakhaya befuna ibhamu. But God said to me, God will change the ruling system yase South Africa. So meaning ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzoletha leadership entsha, ubuholo obusha, kusho ukuthi system yonke, kusho ukuthi uzoletha i ruling party entsha eSouth Africa ezofika izo-enforce ama-laws, ezofika izothi put South African people first. May God bless you. May God protect you. Shalom.